Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. This just came in from Lenovo on loan. And when we're done reviewing this, it goes back to them. This is the new ThinkPad X1 Gen 7. This is the newest one. And we're going to have a full review of this coming up soon on my main channel at lon.tv. Now, like all ThinkBooks, there are a number of different configurations involved with these. This one has an i7 processor. It's an 8565U. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, 2 by 8, so you've got dual channel memory on it, and a 256 gigabyte solid state M2 drive, an NVMe drive. And this is very tiny and very lightweight. It's got a 13.9 inch 1080p display. It sells for about $1,500, but depending on the configuration, you might be able to pay less or more. So just bear those things in mind. Generally, you can upgrade the RAM and storage on these, so if you want to go higher, you can. And it really feels pretty nice. Nice and thin, very lightweight. Let's get the plastic out of it here. Toss that over to the side. So here is the laptop itself. Let's open it up. It's metal. It's got a very nice finish to it. You got that ThinkPad keyboard. It's backlit. Very nicely spaced keys. Very good travel on them. So you've got that familiar look and feel. You've got the little nub here for navigating and the trackpad. And you've got a fingerprint reader there. And we'll take a look here on the side. We've got a USB port, the power switch, and a Kensington lock. This is the cooling fan right there, the output, I believe. On the other side, we have what looks like 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So you've got one here that also doubles as the power input. I suspect you can do power on the other one as well. We'll check and see what the bandwidth is on these ports. Typically, what we've been seeing lately is that all the Lenovo Thunderbolt ports are 4x, and soon Thunderbolt 3 and USB will be merged into one standard, sort of. You have a full-size USB port here, HDMI out, and a headphone microphone jack. Very lightweight. I really like the way this feels. And we're going to have a full review of this soon on the main channel, so stay tuned for that. It's got a 1080p display, by the way. I think I mentioned that. And you can see it goes flat here, but does not flip around into like a yoga device. It is simply a laptop here. And we'll let it boot up here for a second and see what everything looks like. It does not have a touch screen, but it does have a nice matte finish to it. So really nice machine. I really like how thin and light this thing is. So we will be exploring this further soon on the main channel at lon.tv. And before we do, let's see if there's anything else here in the box. Just a couple of manuals and setup guides. And then it looks like the power adapter is in here. And because this is Thunderbolt 3, if you have a docking station, you can do a single cable kind of solution. It's a 65-watt power supply, so most of the docks out there should work with it. All right, so we're going to get to work on this thing, and we'll be back soon with a full review on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.